I've thought so much about this day over the last year, but really the first time I thought about Katie getting married was actually the day she was born. And I remember thinking to myself that someday I might be lucky enough to walk this beautiful little baby girl down the aisle.
My biker shorts are hanging down. I'm just gonna go for a quick bike ride. Alright, so you guys where's your helmet? Put your helmet on.
Another thing that you think about over the years is who she might bring home to meet you. What kind of a person she might choose to marry. So here we are today, and I am that lucky guy that had the honor of walking this beautiful bride down the aisle and the pleasure of seeing her marry a real gentleman. It doesn't get any better than this, folks.
I, Katie, take you, Greg, to be my husband.
I, Greg, take you, Katie, to be my wife.
I promise to be true to you
In good times and in bad.
in sickness and in health,
I will love you and honor you
all the days of my life.
Over the years, Katie and I have had several conversations that began with, guess who came into Donut Dip today?
So everyone knows Greg became a state trooper, sitting in the cruiser, binge watching Netflix, right? And of course, eating donuts. So it didn't take him long to find out about the world's best donut shop, Donut Dip. Yep.
Katie, thank you so much for settling on Greg. I can't thank you enough.
I hope that you guys have a wonderful marriage. I can't wait to watch what happens.
Today, I'd like to raise our glasses to Mr. and Mrs. Gregory Warren. I love you guys very much. Thank you guys.
Mr. and Mrs. Gregory Warren. Congratulations.